friends, it's the Stitches, and today I'm going to show you how I made this cute lime purse. The fabric I'm using is recycled denim from a pair of shorts that I made in a previous thrift flip video, quite a while ago actually. I cut the fabric into the shapes that I needed and then dyed it with this RIT dye. After the dye was set and the pieces were dry, I also added some interfacing to give it some more structure. This also gave me a better, more stable surface to add my fabric paint to. And I'm just using a reference of a stock photo of a lime slice and just painting on the little lines with the fabric paint. Our zipper is really what gives this bag structure. So the first thing we're going to do is set it in our fabric. I'm basically installing it the way it would be in the bag if the bag were constructed, but the bag just isn't constructed yet. After the zipper is installed, I'm going to actually sew the purse together. I pin my fashion pieces right sides together and my lining pieces right sides together. And then I sew the seams there, leaving a gap in the lining to turn everything out. And before I stitch anything down, I make sure that my zipper is open a little bit so that I can turn it right sides out. To finish up my little pouch portion of the purse, I just give it a little top stitch along the bottom seam. And now it's time to build the strap. This is basically just a long, skinny rectangle of fabric stitched right sides together, and then to turn it, I use a safety pin and a lot of willpower. And then once I finally wrestle it right sides out, I give it a good iron. For ease and sanity, I'm just going to stitch this on by hand because I do not have an industrial sewing machine that can just kind of do whatever I want it to do. So I'm just making some quick whip stitches around and making it as sturdy as I can for being hand stitched. And now the purse is done. I'm very happy with how it turned out. I think it's very cute. There were a few things that I wish looked a little bit cleaner, but overall I'm pretty happy with it. It's very fresh and summery and perfect for the hot July weather. It should be in the triple digits here anytime, any day now. I hope everybody has a good day. I hope everybody makes something new with some stuff that they already have around their house. And I will see you all next time. Bye!